Hello and welcome to your Moona. In this video, we will be going through unboxing, application, setup, launching a night, and waking up. Your Moona setup can also be found within the Moona's instruction manual. In your Moona box, you should have one user manual, one Moona pod, one travel case, and one power plug box. In the travel case, you will find a power plug for your Moona, a funnel, and your pillow pad. The pillow pad can be opened by unfastening the Velcro strap and unrolling the pillow pad as so. After registering for the application, you will be asked to complete a sleep survey. Once this is complete, use the app to set up your Moona. After setting up your account and setting up your Moona, you will have the opportunity to navigate the tutorial of the application. There are 3 states of connectivity. These include no connection, looking for connection, and connected. Now, let's set up your Moona. Place your Moona pod on a bedside table or on the floor next to your bed. Please keep in mind not to exceed a height of 70 centimeters or 2.5 feet between your Moona and pillow pad while the Moona is on the ground. Place the pillow pad inside your pillowcase on top of your pillow. The up mark and Moona logo should be facing upwards. Make sure the pad is tucked straight when inside your pillowcase to avoid blocking proper water flow. Connect the tubing to the backside of your Moona until you feel a click. Connect the gray cable as well. Plug the power supply into a power outlet and the other side into your Moona. Turn on the Moona device using the switch in the back. Press up. The sun should appear on your Moona display. Now please fill your Moona. Your Moona should ask for water by displaying a flowing water droplet. Fill your device with water until it reaches just below the maximum in the water gauge window. This should correspond to 750 milliliters or 25 fluid ounces of water. Once this is complete, press the O button. You should notice the water disappearing in the gauge. This is normal. This shows that the water is flowing into the pillow pad. Now it's time to pair your Moona. Select your Moona from the Pair Moona device list. Once your Moona has been paired, a check mark should appear on your Moona display. Your Moona will ask for an update. Allow your Moona to update without exiting the application. To launch a night mode, select your preferred temperature profile in the Temperature Profile tab. In the Alarm tab, you can now select a time for your wake-up. Please note, this is not a sound alarm. Once this is complete, press on the 3 Z's on your Moona application to launch a night mode. To confirm that you are in night mode, press the O button briefly. If you see temperature on your Moona display, then you are in night mode. You can use the plus and minus buttons on your Moona to change temperature throughout the night. This only changes the temperature of the night phase you are in. After a night is complete, a sun will appear on your Moona device. Once you re-enter the application, we will ask a brief survey on how your night went. You may access this data in the Data tab of your application. You can see if you are finished with the night by briefly pressing the O button. If you see the time, you are successfully out of night mode. Thank you for choosing Moona. Let tonight power your tomorrow.